Hi everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you for joining me. As of yesterday, I have made 100 Christmas cards. These that I'm going to be sharing with you this evening are all for my local hospice. These will be going out with the ornaments that we're going to make for our patients. I'm going to try to go through these quickly. I will probably put you in fast forward mode. Friends, there you have it. If you have any questions, leave them down below or send me an email. If you haven't and you'd like to be, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and share my videos on your social media. A blog post with the sketches and measurements for the layouts of these cards will be on my website, lorettaroger.com. That's all one word. You just put lorettaroger.com. You don't have to put www or anything else in front of it. And I hope that you will visit that as well. Have a great day, everyone. Stay happy and be a blessing. Bye for now.